don't know what this does. Oh my gosh!
Did you get all the fans?
Yeah.
Shut off all the lights when you come out.
Okay. I was scared alarm was gonna go off or something. Okay. Next room. This is the master bedroom. Master bedroom. Favorite part of the room? Right there. Dream is a wish the heart makes. And there's the walk-in closet. And Mama wants me to show you the fan. So there's the fan.